Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to make one of the best Indian dishes out there. It's called butter chicken. So let me show you how to make it and let's make some fire foods. The star of the dish and the main ingredient is chicken. You can use chicken thighs or breast. For this I'm going to use one boneless chicken breast. Start by slicing it through the middle to have even thickness. Then start by slicing your chicken into medium-sized pieces. You don't want your pieces of chicken to be too small or they will dry out and won't be as tender and juicy. After you are done slicing the chicken, now transfer it into a bowl and it's time for the marinade. Add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and 1 tablespoon of chili powder, and finally a pinch of salt. You can also add some yogurt as well if you want to. Then make sure to mix the chicken very well and let it marinate for 1 hour. Now in a pan on medium heat add some oil. Place your chicken and let it cook for a couple of minutes on each side. You don't want to cook your chicken all the way through or it will dry out and won't be as tender. Repeat the process and put the chicken on another plate for now as we're going to make our sauce. Start by adding 1 tablespoon of butter and let it melt. Then add 1 diced onion. Sauté the onion until it starts to brown, then add 1 cup of diced tomatoes, half cup of cashews, and give it a quick mix. Then add half cup of tomato paste and 1 cup of water. Then add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, and mix well, then lower the heat and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. After the sauce has been simmering for about 20 minutes, transfer it back into another bowl, and here comes the fun part. Using a hand blender, blend the sauce until it becomes very smooth and creamy. It may take a couple of minutes, so be patient because it's definitely worth all the hard work. After the sauce is completely blended, transfer it back into the pan through a sieve to remove any parts of the tomatoes or the cashews that was not blended all the way through. And it will also help the sauce to become much smoother and with no clumps at all. Now reheat the sauce back up and add 1 tablespoon of butter, 1/4 cup of heavy cream which will give it that creamy and rich flavor that we're looking for. Then give it a quick mix, then go back in with your chicken. Mix in the sauce and let it simmer for a couple of minutes and you got yourself one of the best Indian dishes you'll ever try. It's so delicious and creamy. Serve with basmati rice or naan bread on the side. It's so good you'll be addicted. So try this recipe and let me know in the comments below what other recipes you want to see next. And that's the end of the video guys. Make sure to like, subscribe and click the bell to get notified for upcoming new videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.